We'll guide you through how to make a lead magnet with Gamma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because creating lead magnets is essential for growing email lists, attracting potential customers, and building online businesses. Many users want a fast and simple way to design professional content without advanced skills, and Gamma offers an AI-powered solution that automates writing and design, making the process easier and more efficient. To make a lead magnet with Gamma, begin by opening your web browser from the Start button on your computer, then select Google Chrome or any browser you prefer. Next, click on the search bar, type gamma.app, and press enter on your keyboard to visit the website. Once the page loads, click the Start for Free button displayed on the screen to begin creating your account. You can choose Continue with Google or manually enter your email and password, then click Continue to access your dashboard. After entering the dashboard, move your cursor to the Create New button and click it to start a new project. A menu will appear, so click Generate to create your lead magnet using Gamma. In the top menu, select Document to set the correct format for your content. Then, click on the text input box and type your lead magnet topic clearly. After that, select the number of cards. For example, choose one card if you want a simple layout. Next, choose your preferred language to match your audience. Then press Enter or click Generate Outline to let Gamma create the structure automatically. Wait while the system generates your lead magnet content. Once it appears, scroll down to read all the generated text carefully. Customize your content by selecting and adjusting the text sections you like the most. In the visual section, choose the most attractive theme to improve the design. Then go to Image Choice, select Flat, and click Generate when everything looks correct. Wait again while Gamma regenerates your lead magnet with the updated visuals. When the process is complete, click the Share button in the top right corner, then choose Export from the options. Finally, select Export as PDF, then click Download to save your file to your computer for easy access and sharing. This method allows you to quickly produce a professional lead magnet without complex design skills.